What is up guys, welcome to my channel. I am Cait. So today I am back with another video and another group. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be reacting to ATEEZ. I'm the one. They have come with a comeback. I am really pumped to check them out. I look forward to them. I know nothing about this group though. I unfortunately don't know their names or anything. I've just seen them almost everywhere, all over TikTok, and and you'll see reels of them. They're just everywhere. Yeah, I've seen snippets of them before and I've always wanted to check them out, and I was always interested in checking out ATEEZ. So yeah, this is my first introduction to them, I guess. And yeah guys, I look forward to it. Without further ado, we're gonna get into it and I hope you enjoy. And play. Oh. Oh. Wow. I already love the wardrobe. I mean, look at this. Okay, they put this man, ooh, I stopped on a beautiful visual. They put this man in a crop top. Crop tops are dangerous, bro. It's so dangerous. And then they still did such a movement. And, ooh, that movement slapped. I like the beginning choreography. Have to see it again. Ooh, something about it just slaps so hard. Sing for us. I love how some of the lyrics like showed in the radio. Same. Rap for us. Hey. Wow, he's handsome. Ooh, I like that. Hey! This choreo goes hard. Ooh, the vocals. Oh, there's like an underlined harmony going there. Ooh, this vocal layering giving us some flavor. I'ma go back so I can hear the oh yes. Wait, just a bit. I just need to hear it. Oh! That underlying harmonies is so subtle, but it hits so hard. Like it adds so much to a song, and it's, for me, it's like it's very satisfying. Okay, I must say, wow, I must say this whole group looks just so dangerous in everything. I always say every group has a Mr. Danger, but right now I can't even identify who's the most dangerous in the group. I can't even identify it. Also the visuals, how's it all slapping? I love that part. I love the choreography on the yayas, like this part. Oh, I like it. It just hits. Wow. Wow! That crop top is so dangerous. There's fire, there's flames, the real danger. They're not coming to play no games, guys. Cool transition. That was cool. Ooh, get those vocals. Okay, no, he's singing so beautifully and there's just flames going by the tree. There's just flames. We have to just go back, appreciate that transition and the vocals. Oh, this is dangerous. No, you put... Oh, no, I think he's Mr. Danger. I think I've identified the Mr. Danger. Because how dare you... even that top seems dangerous, and then he's in front of a lit tree. The vocals! There's such subtle vocal layering in here and the harmonies. I'm so sorry if I'm going back too much, but you can easily miss things so much in a music video. I have to hear this again. Sing! Yeah! Oh, look at this wardrobe. Oh, that's extra dangerous. Wow! And there's fireworks too? It's not enough to just have fire, there's fireworks too. The vocals! No, I need to hear that again. This vocals, it's just so subtle, but it's like strong. There's some good harmonies going there. Also, I actually just want to go back to where he jumped over them. I don't know where that is. Okay, I don't know where it is. I think it's earlier on. The vocals! There! Oh, that was cool. Wow, this choreography slaps. And the cuts. The vocals. Ah! Well, that was fire. That was flames. Oh! Oh! What are they attacking us with? Oh, was that like a teaser? Okay, well, ATEEZ didn't come to play. They came with all the flames. Came with all the fire, and it was lit. Everything in correlation to what was going on in that music video. I really enjoyed the choreography in here, and every member gave it their all. Like ATEEZ has like actually so much dynamic. But one thing I'd like to hear more of them is just the vocals, because I feel like the vocals was very like subtly placed in the song, but it added so much dynamic. So I look forward to hearing more of their things and more of them. But yeah, I think that was like that was a captivating music video. Also the choreography and everything kept you entertained and kept you hooked. But yeah, guys, I enjoyed my first introduction of ATEEZ. I've been seeing them everywhere for the longest time, so I'm so happy I got to see something of theirs. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. Please comment down below of any other ATEEZ content that you'd like me to react to or check out. Let me know if you're an ATINY. I think that's what the fandom's name is, so let me know in the comments down below. Show some love. And yeah, guys, without further ado, I hope you have the best day further or the best week, and I'll see you next time for another video. Okay, bye.